What's up guys, for today's video I come across this very unique axe over here. This is the brand of it, Forest Tools Max Company. Check this out, plastic handle. I mean, I'm not really sure exactly what it's made from, but something very different that most axes don't have is this little piece right here, and it's also a piece of metal attached to actual mallet and a hammer. Amazing leather cover. Boom, and there you go, you have here a very nice axe out here. But what does this do? That's what makes it special. Let's look at this close up. Well, it comes with one of these pouches, and let's see what we got here. Wow, look at that shovel, that's huge. You know, every time you buy stuff online, you never know what you're going to get. That's a lot bigger than those little folding shovels. There's a bunch of clips, we'll figure it out what for. I think it's extra. A little pick for the digging. There's a lot of tools, wow. What is this? I have no idea. I guess another pick to dig into the dirt. Okay, what else in here? Something else, and another pick. Yeah, this one is a little wider, this one is a thinner. I don't know, maybe you get on the rock, you'll have to pick it out. Whoa, what is this? Seems like a rake. Anyways, I don't think it came with the instructions. No, it did. Very nice. Okay, we're gonna start with the shovel. Put it all the way through. Looks like it's all the way. Let's set it down. And that's why they give us so many pins. Boom. And there you go. You have your shovel axe. How cool is that? Wow. That is so epic. Okay, let's say you wanna get a different tool. You got into the rock, you need to pick it out, or let's say it got too hard to dig, you can get one of this and put it through, put the pin through, and look at that. It is going to be a bit wiggly, but it doesn't matter. Whenever you're going to be hitting on the ground, this will go inside so tight they probably stop wiggling. Plus, I don't think it would be an issue digging on the ground. What a cool tool, that's for sure. Okay, you wanna put something else in. There's a pick. Again, once it gets tight in there, it's gonna be really nice. So that is cool. This is almost like a fireman's axe. You know, you have the axe and a pick in the back to break through the door. That is awesome. Very long pick too. That's pretty much same thing but different, so I'm not gonna be showing you how it looks like. And this one, I'm pretty sure supposed to go this way. Put this through and tighten it up. Wow, look at that. It's actually tightened pretty good. And you have a little rake here, but I think it's more so for the digging. Let me know in comments below, what would you use it for? And also, let's unspin it, take it out, pull this out, flip it around. Wow, nice. Put this in, and then screw this. It will lift up that notch. And you have here another tool for the digging or whatever. Use your imaginations. This is amazing. This is one of a kind multi-tool like I never seen before. So guys, you see who it's made from. If you're interested in buying one of them, just search it online, that's it. And when you take it all out, that axe looks nice, solid, beautiful. Probably would be a good splitting axe too. Oh yeah, it does say made in America. Pretty awesome.